If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The color lookup adjustment in Photoshop lets you apply a preset color lookup table to a selected layer to add different types of overall color changes to the layer. The color lookup table preset you select maps colors in the existing image to the colors in the selected color lookup table preset to adjust the selected layer's colors. Photoshop contains three color lookup table categories, with the most preset options available in the 3D lot file category. However, note this color lookup table category is only available for RGB color mode files. To apply a color lookup adjustment to a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Color Lookup from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Color Lookup dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Color Lookup button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Color Lookup adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To apply a Color Lookup table preset, select a preset from the drop-down for the desired category of Color Lookup table presets. Doing this then also selects the Color Lookup Table Presets option button. Optionally, and if desired, then set any additional settings for the selected preset that appear below the dropdowns. If you click the dropdowns for the Abstract or Device Link Color Lookup Table categories and do not see any ICC profile names available when using Photoshop on a Windows PC, you may need to copy these profiles into the correct folder on your system so they appear within these dropdowns in the future. To do this, copy all the ICC profiles from C Program Files x86, Common Files, Adobe Color Profiles, into the C Windows System 32 Spool Drivers Color folder on your Windows computer. Then close and reopen Photoshop. At that point, the profile names then appear under their respective abstract or device link dropdowns. To apply the color lookup adjustment, if using the color lookup dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.